Friends, today we are going to learn about arithmetic group of instruction. There are addition, subtraction, incrementation and decrementation instruction in 8085 in arithmetic group. Multiplication and division instruction are not directly present for 8085. We are performing multiplication and division using addition and subtraction only. Today we are going to learn addition instruction. In next instruction, all next instructions, here one of the operand is always an accumulator, and from where the other operand is, there are different types of instruction. For example, for addition we have add, ADC and ADI instruction, and depend upon operand there are add R, add M, ADI or ADCR, ADCM instruction that we are going to learn today. So first we are going to learn about add R. Here 8-bit data in register is get added with accumulator. It is, as data is in register, it is register addressing mode instruction, 1 byte instruction, where data from register is get added to the accumulator. The answer is stored in accumulator and flags are get affected. Here you can see this example that register D contains 35 hex, accumulator contains 05 hex, and after addition with add D, the result is 3x, which is stored in accumulator, and the flags, that is sign flag is reset, 0 flag is reset, accumulator answer is not 0, auxiliary carry flag is also reset, only parity flag will be set and carry flag again reset. Similarly, next instruction is add n. Here 8-bit data, that is in memory, but that memory is not specified by instruction, but it is specified by register pair, HL pair. Hence it is register indirect addressing mode. It is also 1 byte instruction, but it requires 2 machine cycle. Here data from memory is get added like shown here. Here we are taking address D000 hex, which is stored in HL pair, and data 51 hex is at D000 hex position, which is get added with the data in accumulator 35 hex. So after instruction add n, the answer 86 hex will be stored in accumulator and flags are accordingly changed. Third one is ADI instruction, which is add 8-bit data immediate. That is, here operand is not in register or in memory, but it is directly given in the instruction. So it is immediate addressing mode instruction. It consists of 2 bytes. 1 byte of course opcode and other byte is operand. Directly that data is get added with accumulator and result is stored in accumulator. Of course in this instruction also the flags are get affected. After this ADI, similar 3 instructions we are seeing. First is ADCR. Seek means we are considering previous carry, that is if already we are doing some addition instruction and again we are performing addition considering the previous carry, then we are using that ADC type instructions. In ADCR we are adding register data to accumulator considering previous carry flag. If carry flag is set, then it is get added in the accumulator answer, and if carry flag is not set, then no need of adding that carry to the accumulator answer. Here we can see the clear example of this. Accumulator contained 5f hex, register D contained 33 hex, and previous carry flag is set 01. Hence after ADCD the answer is 93 hex, because 5f hex plus 33 hex, it gives answer 92 hex, and after addition of that carry 01 hex, the answer becomes 93 hex. So accumulator shows the final answer after addition of carry, and similarly flags are get affected. You can clearly see sign it is 1, then Z is equal to 0, parity is 1, auxiliary carry is also set 1, carry flag is 0. Next one is ADCM, that is add that accumulate memory content with accumulator considering previous carry. Here also memory content shown by the HL pair, address is given in HL pair, and from that memory we are taking data to add with accumulator considering previous carry. After addition result is stored in accumulator and flags are get affected. And last one is today's instruction is ACI, 8-bit data, that is we are adding 8-bit data immediately but considering the previous carry. If carry is present, it is get added in the answer, and according to that flags are affected. As data is immediate, addressing mode is immediate addressing mode, and it is 2 byte instruction. So that's all for addition types of instruction. Tomorrow we will see about the subtraction instruction. Thank you.